Hidden in the scrublands of Kenya lives a bird most people have never heard of. Hinde's babbler, a loud, curious, totally Kenyan species found nowhere else on Earth. They live in tight family gangs, always talking, always on the move. But here's the problem. Their home, Kenya's natural thickets and river-edge shrublands, is disappearing fast. Scrub is cleared for farms. Thickets are chopped for development. These birds end up trapped in tiny, isolated patches, and once the thicket goes, the babbler goes with it. That's why protecting key breeding areas, like Kakuzi, is absolutely critical. But the story doesn't end there. If we protect these pockets of habitat, restore river corridors, plant native hedges on farms, and back community conservation groups, this species can bounce back. So here's your mission. Don't just scroll past nature. Let's support local conservation groups, protect existing, and identify new habitats. Because every patch of thicket saved is a whole babbler family kept alive. Kenya's wildlife isn't just in national parks. Sometimes it's hiding in the thicket right behind your home.